Hello. This is pictures, and we have a new member with us.
Introduce yourself.
I'm Oscar
Oscar what?
Notchman.
Good.
All right. So he made up a story for us. It's like a book. So he's gonna read it out. All right. Let's go.
It's called The Bird That Fell Down.
Yeah, go.
So what do I do?
Just say it.
Okay, this story is about a bird that flew up into the closet.
Tell me chapter 1. Okay. Sorry, we had some technical issues. So I'm gonna say the story for him because
Oscar.
there was a bit of a problem. So okay. So chapter 1 is the bird gently flew up and fell down. Okay. Chapter 2. The bird wanted to fly back up, but hit by a plane. Okay. I'm sorry, we had technical problems because George farted. Anyway, chapter 2 is the bird managed to fly back up and got hit by a plane, so it fell back down. Okay, chapter 3 is a bird. Okay, a vet found the bird and he threw it back up in the air.
Oscar, stop showing me your penis.
Fuck you, Joe.
Pause. Okay, chapter 4. An eagle flew by and grabbed it.
Farted. Chapter 5.
Chapter 5. I'm from the weight. Stay here, George. They both fell down.
And the eagle farted.
Or anything like that.
Chapter 8. The rotten and decaying bird flew back up. Okay. Okay.
Oh, wait,
Chapter 22. Alright. Chapter 22. We'll have some technical issues. George wants to fart it, but the bird died. 30,000. The mechanical engines from the ass of the bird started. Now the ending. The bird died.
Bye!